Hi everyone, today I'm going to disassemble this circular saw attachment for a power drill. I need to lubricate its internal gears. Let's begin. First I'll use this Allen key to unscrew the blade retaining bolt. And now I can remove the blade. Here it is. It's an 85mm 24-tooth wood blade. Next, I'll unscrew the bolts holding the frame. With the bolts out, the frame comes off. Now I'll remove these screws from the main housing. And the housing separates into two halves. A few more screws to get to the gearbox. This arm for the blade guard is coming off too. Now I need to remove this retaining ring. With the ring off, the blade guard can be removed. And this top plastic piece comes off. Okay, more screws to access the main shaft assembly. And here's the shaft assembly out. This is the main gear mechanism I want to lubricate. I'll unscrew these 3 screws to open the gearbox. It separates into 2 main parts. This first part has the bevel gear. It's quite dry, but there's some old grease in the housing and a bit on the gear itself. Here's a closer look at the bevel gear and its shaft. The second part contains the Planetary gear system. I'll use some of the existing grease from the housing to lubricate these Planetary gears. Let me take these out to show you. Here's the sun gear and the planet gears inside the ring gear. You can see the 3 planet gears. I'm applying the grease to the planet gears and the ring gear. Now I'll put the cover back on this Planetary gear section. And tighten the screws. This part is now lubricated and reassembled. Next, I'll lubricate the bevel gear section using the grease from its housing, making sure to get grease on the bevel gear itself. Now I'll insert the bevel gear shaft back into its housing. And join the 2 halves of the gearbox together. Then, I'll tighten the 3 screws that hold the gearbox. The gearbox is now lubricated and reassembled. I won't reassemble the whole attachment now. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.